Let's get onto my Amazon account. Let me show you guys where I went and what I did to buy these items for semi-new. I'll show you guys how much I saved and if I will be doing this again. So guys, let me give you guys a small sneak peek. I might be doing this again, but with a phone. Yes, you heard it here first, guys. I might be doing this again with a phone, so stay tuned. Subscribe to ONR if you haven't, because we are about to buy a phone from Amazon, guys, and a semi-new one at that. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Olive Nkirote and this is Olive Nkirote, rebranded, also known as ONR. Guys, welcome. The last time I was here, we were busy gallivanting, okay? Where were we actually, guys? I hope you remember we visited Financial Hub Forex Academy and saw their new space, had a whole 42-minute sit down talking all about how they started their journey in Forex and how they've actually been able to keep a business alive, being 3 friends. So guys, definitely check out our previous videos if you haven't. Really jam-packed, really full of nuggets and lessons. So guys, please pause and head over to those 2 videos. I know this is a video that was highly requested on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram at Olive_Nkirote, please do. I did share on my Instagram that I imported items from Amazon in a different way, and everyone was just like, can you please show us what you did? If you don't follow me there, then you miss out the tea, okay? Because the tea starts at Instagram, and then once we get the proof of concept, it comes to YouTube. So I did share that I wanted to import a few items, but I genuinely wanted to try secondhand from Amazon. Well, is it really secondhand? I don't know. I really don't think it's like secondhand, but have you seen the dollar? Have you seen the dollar rate? It's insane. So it's quite expensive right now bringing in things, especially with the dollar rate being 145, 144, 143, 146. It's mad. So I found out that you can actually purchase items from Amazon that are semi-new, but they're ideally new. What did I import? I will show you guys in a bit, but again guys, quick disclaimer, I have an Amazon playlist right now on the channel, so if you have never purchased anything from Amazon, it would be best for you if you actually checked out those 2 videos first, because we talk about how to buy from Amazon, how to ship from Amazon, and we recently even imported a whole laptop. So now guys, if you have not checked that playlist and then you're watching this video, you've missed like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 of the class, okay? So let me show you guys what I purchased. I already unboxed them, so is there really need to pretend that they're still in the box? Okay, maybe. Guys, let me tell you, they came working perfect, you know, like they're working fine. So the first thing I got is this hard drive. So it's a 5 terabyte, is it a hard drive or a hard disk? I think it's a hard drive. Yes, a portable drive. Yeah, so it's a 5 terabyte portable drive. I got this particular one from Seagate, and I have 2 other hard drives from them. So I really like the hard drives, and they came, so it was inside this thing and it was inside this box. And let me tell you guys how you know it's not a new product. Thanks to you, this product has a second life. We appreciate it. Amazon warehouse, Amazon renewed and fulfilled by Amazon. Does my hard drive work fine? Yes. Did it have any issues, any defects, any scratches, anything? No guys, it actually works pretty good, and I know I'm going to have this hard drive for a good 5 years. Second item that I purchased is actually this, guys. Let me tell you, this one was a risk, okay? I actually had really good headphones, but I unfortunately destroyed a part, like a part that can't be replaced, but the headphones work fine. So I had to invest again, but those ones were pretty expensive. So I was like, I'm not about to spend so much money again on headphones. So again, I went to the second-hand side of Amazon and I found these Philips headphones. Let me tell you guys, this box came the way it looks. Like, are you seeing how squashed? And yeah, it does not look new in any shape, way or form. It looks previously owned, and yeah, ideally work pretty fine. So these are the headphones that I got. They work pretty fine and they fit very well to my ear. and I have no qualms, guys. And maybe the only thing I have qualms with is this car section here. So you really have to like remove them forward as compared to the ones that, anyway, not a big deal. So do they work fine? Yes. Are they super high end? No, they're really not high end headphones. The ones I had, guys, the ones I had, those headphones are legit. The bass, the everything. You would watch a movie in those headphones and it's like you bought a horse. Yeah, anyway, these ones are cheap and they're just working fine, honestly. Nothing much to say. So I don't want to keep rambling, but those are the 2 items that I got for semi-new, and I know what you guys are here for, to know how to do that. So I will advise you this way, guys. If you're looking to purchase something from Amazon that is not really high ticket, right, please consider buying secondhand or semi-new, because the quality, one, is good, they work fine, and you get to spend less. So it's not like you are saving money because you're still spending the money to buy the item, but are you spending less money to buy the item? Yes. So let's get onto my Amazon account. Let me show you guys where I went and what I did to buy these items for semi-new. I'll show you guys how much I saved and if I will be doing this again. So guys, let me give you guys a small sneak peek. I might be doing this again, but with a phone. Yes, you heard it here first, guys. I might be doing this again with a phone, so stay tuned. Subscribe to ONR if you haven't, because we are about to buy a phone from Amazon, guys, and a semi-new one at that. So first things first, you have to open your Amazon account. So guys, I am currently on my Amazon, and you can see I have 4 things on my cart. This is Hello Olive, and it's the US side. Now, how do you get to the semi-new items? Let me tell you guys, when you come to Amazon, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you're going to see the world of Amazon broke down into bite-sized pieces. So Amazon Music, Amazon Business, Amazon Advertising, Amazon Global. Guys, you can see there are so many categories. Now, where do you get the second-hand items? You get them on the Amazon warehouse. Great deals on quality used products. So I want you to open a new tab and see what they mean. So when you come, you're going to see Amazon warehouse. They are quality, but they are pre-owned, used, and open box products. So you can treat yourself to great deals, and you can shop even by category. Now, I want you guys to understand what you're getting into before you actually purchase. Now, guys, bear with me here. I know you're impatient, but please be patient to understand what is about to happen. So if you can see here, they've explained what Amazon warehouse is, but there's something I want you guys to actually see here, right? It's called, how can I understand a product's condition? So when you're buying something from Amazon warehouse, it is tagged by the following: used like new, used very good, used good, or used acceptable. Now, you can read what all those 4 things mean. Used like new basically means the item is in perfect condition, but the packaging may bear some damage. Used very good is going to say an item is in very good condition, but may have limited use, minor cosmetic imperfections, you know, may arrive with damaged packaging. That is used but very good. And then you can say used and good is, well, it may show some wear from moderate use, it may arrive with damaged packaging, may have a scratch, okay? So you can see all these things are being highlighted. But used and acceptable is the last one, and you can see it's basically saying this item has clear signs of usage. Imetumika, it has been used, let's not lie, okay? But it still serves its main function. And it may arrive with damaged packaging. Again, all these things that they've shared here, scratches, dents, corners, worn corners or edges. But basically the whole point of Amazon warehouse is Amazon has a 30-day return policy. I might purchase a set of headphones, and as soon as they arrive, I open the box, I'm excited, but it's not the color I wanted, you know? So you actually have the liberty to return the package, and Amazon refunds you the money. So Amazon decides, okay, we cannot throw all these things people have returned, but we honestly can also not sell them as new, because are they really new? They're not. So let's do Amazon warehouse, where every package that's been returned, we can resell them to any consumer looking to buy them, but they should be aware that it's not new, because something could have happened. So that is basically what Amazon warehouse does, and your girl decided she had to risk, because guys, the economy is too hard. So we had to risk. We had to buy 2 items that I was willing to risk with, and let me show you guys how I went about that. So now you know what Amazon warehouse is. Now you know how to judge if an item is good condition. Now let me show you guys how I actually made the purchase. So I came here and searched for the item. So for my particular item, it was a Seagate 5TB hard drive. So if you followed me on Instagram, I did share it on my stories, and I told you guys that the new one was about $120. Then there was a discount for $115, but if I bought it used and new, I was getting it for like $90. And that is exactly what happened. Did I still spend money? Yes, I just spent less. So if you come and search here, you can see Seagate portable 5TB external hard drive. So you can open it to a new tab, but you can already see here they're saying 11 used offers, meaning I can actually purchase my 5TB hard drive from 11 people. And then I click that, and then you're going to immediately see that it's $86. You can see new and used. So I'll click there, and here it is. So first of all, guys, you have to really pay attention, and there are 2 things I want you to pay attention. Third-party sellers can also sell at Amazon warehouse. Who are third-party sellers? These are people who have opened accounts on Amazon to sell their second-hand items, or to sell items that they own, or items that they want to get rid of. So as you're buying, please ensure that if you really want A1 quality, choose an Amazon warehouse verified tag. If you're buying from a third-party seller, please note that you're not in America, so you might get it, but maybe they lied, it's used like new, and it's not used like new, it's probably used acceptable. And the fact that you're not in America, you're not going to be able to ship that product back. So I would rather put my chances on Amazon warehouse, because it's Amazon itself. It has a whole system of how it verifies the quality of the products that are being resold. So yeah, risk carefully. Used and acceptable for $86, way cheaper, guys. Used but good, 101. Used but very good, 105. Actually, the prices have gone up, because guys, let me tell you, I spent $90 for my hard drive, for a 5TB hard drive. And I want you to do your research, go to town, go to your plugs, ask them how much is a 5TB hard drive. For a new one, this is a shop selling a new one, 160. And basically, if you're looking to save, you would buy from used very good or used acceptable. Now, depending on what you feel like, come back here and then check the category. So for me, guys, I've only bought used like new. Okay, I have not tried the other used acceptable or used good or used very good. I'm trying to buy used like new. Okay, so when you're coming here, just pay attention to that, and you can see if it's closer to new, it's more expensive, and if it's closer to not being new, it's far much cheaper. Guys, that was my first tip, and I hope that has brought you some insights. So how do you buy? Again, I have a video, add it to cart, make the payment, send your shipping agent, they deliver it for you in Kenya, and you get your hard drive at a really good deal. Now, the second item that I purchased, again, guys, is my headphones. I did the same thing. However, note when you're searching here that you're searching at Amazon warehouse. So when you're searching at the search tab, don't go to search all. All is literally the new items, but you're trying to get the second-hand items. So click Amazon warehouse and then search. For me, I searched Philips headphones. So I did that, and then that's how I found my current headphones. I can't remember how much I bought them for, but I believe it was $19 or even less. And you can see now when I searched, there's so many other expensive. Actually, guys, here they are. Here it is, guys. Here it is. Oh, I'm so excited. You can see it's even saying purchased May 2023. Yeah, your girl bought those ones. And ideally, guys, the way they look there is the way they look. Okay, they're saying there are 7 used offers. It is. So you can see the new one is $20 actually. and then used like new is $13. So like I said, you're spending, but you're going to spend less. But again, this is from a third-party seller, Phototech. However, he has really good ratings, and I don't think he would scam you, so I wouldn't mind buying from him. When I was buying, I didn't find him available, but you can see they used like new from Amazon warehouse itself. It's $19, so you're ideally just saving $1. You're only just saving $1, but anyway, yeah, so I would probably buy from this guy, Phototech, only because his ratings are just too good. My goodness. Very interesting stuff, so you can do that. Let me see how much I bought. So it's saying that I last purchased on May 25th. I told you guys that I did purchase, and I am saying the truth. So I want to see how much we purchased them for. I actually purchased them for $18.23. You can also see for my hard drive, I did purchase for $93. So I did delay, guys. I remember actually it was $90, and then when I was putting money in my card to pay, 3 days later it just informed me that the price has gone up to $93, and I was like, you know what, we might as well just buy. It was my experience, guys, buying used like new products from Amazon warehouse. I am considering buying a phone, guys. I've told you guys this. I'm considering buying a phone from Amazon. I am considering either Amazon warehouse, which I will share with you details, which is second-hand items ideally, or Amazon renewed, which is basically devices that have been refurbished. Okay, we're gonna talk all about that in my third video when I do make the purchase. I like speaking from experience. Right now I'll probably be speaking out of my ass, and I do not want to do that, so let's just stop there. So guys, I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section if this video has come in handy for you. Will really make my day. Definitely check our Amazon playlist for all the Amazon related videos. Guys, I am an Amazon girly, okay? I buy everything from Amazon. Actually, guys, I might do a video talking about my recent Amazon purchases. I have bought a really cool mouse, guys, from Amazon that lights. Like, look at that beautiful mouse. I have bought a fan for my laptop. I bought the laptop itself from Amazon. I bought the hard drive from Amazon. I bought the headphones from Amazon. I'm about to buy a whole phone from Amazon. At this point, Amazon, give me money, please. Give me a job, okay? I mean, guys, I am quite an Amazon girly, so I might actually do a video coming up. 2 videos actually. One, God willing, when we buy this phone, the experience about buying a phone on Amazon, and a content creator Amazon haul. Things that you can buy from Amazon for your business that can help you in content creation, or even just for your workspace. So look out for that. I want to love you guys and leave you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Definitely leave us a comment if you learned anything, and leave a like to this video, especially if you plan to import from Amazon warehouse. I want to say goodbye, guys. Remember to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Bye guys, see you on the next one. Peace.